dog.
I think this belongs to a cat.
But why is a cat wearing a dog collar?
'Cause it's a cat collar.
Okay, so where's the cat?
Let's see if there's any information on the tags.
It says Catboy.
Something's fishy here.
Yeah, we better check it out. PJ Masks, we're on our way. It's night to save the day.
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes Greg becomes Connor becomes
Catboy!
PJ Robot, scan this for clues. What is it? Is it the cat? You can't tell. What if some poor little kitty's lost out there? We've got to save it. To the cat car. Cat ears. Super cat speed.
Catboy, wait!
Over in that tree. Poor little thing must have gotten stuck. Don't worry, kitty. I'll get you down. It's okay, little fella. Everything's gonna be just... Wait! What's going on? Hey! Catboy! Whoa! What just happened? Catboy? What? What is it?
You're, a cat.
I'm a what? Don't be ridiculous.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
No! Hey, look! A mouse!
Meow.
Hey!
I have you now. You are so cute. Yes, you are. Isn't he cute, Master?
Romeo!
It was a trap.
Oh, hello, PJ Pests. Or should I say, pets?
What have you done to me? Ooh, a feather! Mine!
Why, I've turned you into a cat.
Not just any kitty cat. The sweetest little ball of cuddles ever. Yes, you are.
Now, where was I? Oh, yes, introducing my greatest invention ever, the Animal Metamorpho Ray. With this, I can transform anyone into any animal I please. Okay, but why? You know, I've always wanted my own zoo, and Robot wanted a pet, so I thought, why not turn everyone in town into an animal? Oh, right. And once I'm done, I'll take over the world!
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Oh, really?
I like Catboy the cat, Master. Can I keep him? Can I please?
Oh, why not? But you have to take very good care of him. You know, feed him, clean up after him. Yuck!
I will, Master. I promise.
Romeo, change me back, right now.
After promising Robot a pet? No. And it's only a matter of time before I add a lizard and owl to my zoo. Huh? Here, Gecko, Gecko, Gecko! I'm gonna get Catboy back. Whoa!
What are you doing? Do you want to be a lizard in Romeo's zoo for the rest of your life? need a plan.
Aw, friendship, yeah.
Bad move, robot. Superpowers or not, I'm still fast enough to get away. Later!
Oh my.
Are those cat treats? I love cat treats. Oh no, I'm starting to act like a cat. Come on, Catboy, you're a hero. You can resist a tasty treat. Meow. Huh?
Robot is pleased.
Hey, cut it out. Who doesn't like a cuddle?
Ew, you just ate a cat treat.
Huh? Catboy, are you okay?
Don't worry, guys. I've got a plan.
You hear that? He's got a plan.
Chin rubs are the best.
You were saying?
I don't understand. Don't worry, Catboy. We'll find a way to change you back.
Huh?
I don't like the sound of that, Master. You said I could keep the kitty cat boy.
Of course you can, Robot.
Then I'll crush the animal metamorpho ray, so nobody can take him.
That's a terrible idea. Why would you destroy the animal metamorpho ray when I needed to transform everyone into pets?
Because, Master, the PJ Masks always defeat you.
I wouldn't say always.
Oh, I would. Every single time.
That is why I must crush it, to keep my precious kitty cat.
No! Did you hear that? Robot's gonna wreck the animal ray. We've gotta save Catboy before it's too late.
We will.
After them! They're getting away!
No, I must crush the ray gun to protect kitty cat boy.
Did you say no? You can't say no, that's an order!
No.
Ah! Fine! I'll go after them myself!
We should go. Or not. No! I've got to make sure Romeo doesn't turn my friends or anyone else into pets. Yahoo!
No! Come back!
What did you get?
Catboy's becoming more cat by the minute, so we have to lure him back any way we can. Where's Catboy?
Back with Robot. Probably making matching outfits. I don't need Robot for this!
Oh, no, you don't!
No fair!
Wait up, kitty cat boy.
Whose side are you on anyway?
The kitties, Master, must crush the animal metamorpho ray.
No!
Robot wins!
Catboy, look!
Hey, check it out! There's a red dot on the grass. I don't know why, but I must catch that dot.
Huh? Look out, you silly cat!
Almost got it. Hey, where'd it go? Yeah! Woohoo!
Careful, kitty cat.
Robot, let me down!
Wait for me.
Romeo, where's the reverse switch on this thing? I'll never tell! Okay, then what kind of animal would you like to be? You wouldn't. Don't! Please! I don't want to be an animal! I'm done with animals! The reverse switch is on the side! Woohoo! Yeah!
Wait a nanosecond. What?
Yeah! Woohoo!
Stop that!
Hey, Catboy!
No!
Catboy, get the toy! Get the toy! Good boy!
Hold still, Catboy!
It's okay, kitty cat boy. I have you now.
Gotcha!
Okay, rubbing my chin just got weird. Sorry, Robot. Gotta go.
Aww.
Hey, Robot, thanks for taking such good care of me. You'd be great with a real pet of your own.
You really mean it? Maybe Master will let me get my own cat one day.
Sorry, Robot. And nice try, Romeo. That was a perfect plan, and you had to ruin it by wanting a cat.
Sorry, Master. Master, can I get a real cat? Please? Please?
Ugh. I'll think about it.
How do you feel?
Fine, I guess. Hey, do we have any cat treats back at HQ?
PJ Masks, I'll shout it!